Hi everybody. This video today is on how to make $200 to $500 a day with a small account day trading. So a lot of this is going to depend how much capital you have. Okay, obviously you don't want to be fixated on the $500 a day number if, let's say, you only have $2,000 in your account. So you're going to have to write down on paper what your goal is, what you're looking to accomplish, long term, short term, how big is your account size, and as far as the percent of margin, I'm going to leave that up to you. Some people are fixated on trading 1%, some people say 10%, some people more, some people less, 5%. That's going to be up to you. All I can say is that this here is a method. And with a nice size account and proper strategy and patience, I believe that it's very possible to make between $200 and $500 a day in a smaller size account. When I say smaller, let's just say $4,000 or $5,000. Okay, now let's get to a strategy. We'll start with the Euro US dollar. 4-hour chart. I'm going to make this a little bit clearer here. We have a range trading method. Very simple, easy to pick up, easy to understand. You don't have to read 5 books to make a nice little profit every day. That doesn't mean you're not going to have losing days. Of course, you're going to have those losing days too. Okay, find a bottom, whatever you're trading. Whether it's Forex, whether it's stocks, whether it's futures, find a bottom level support. Find a top level support. Now, a lot of people, when they say top level support, they're going to automatically go for, let's say, something like this. And it is true that that is a overhead resistance, top level support, whatever. But that is not the range. The range would be this area here, okay? And then this area here. Let's zoom out. I'll show you a little clearer of what I mean. We keep coming up to right around this area. Keep coming up, we move off. Bounce back down here, come up. Now, it's not a perfect touch. We blow through stops, come down, blow through stops, come down, back to the same bottom area. Come up, blow through stops, come down. And I've been watching this today. I think we may be now finally ready to break this area and come up to this top range. Once we break out of this range, then we can say that we have a new range. So, in a nutshell, range trading involves a bottom. It involves a top. You have to have numerous touches. I at least like to see between 4 and 6 touches to make it a valid range. Now, how long this consolidation range is going to go on, it really doesn't matter. But the longer it does go on, typically the bigger the breakout is going to be when you come out of this range. It's going to come out with momentum because of the anticipation, a lot of people watching this pattern and also trading the range, and then if it pops out, you may just have some of those stops run. So I'm getting kind of technical, so I want to keep it simple for the new people out there who are really just trying to find a way that's simple, easy to understand, and this is one strategy that I'll be laying out. Okay, I've been doing this for quite some time. Day trading has been an incredible experience, something that took me a long time to discipline myself to a point where I can have those consistent profits. Notice how I say discipline myself. I didn't say educate myself. I believe in trading, discipline is more important than education. I really do. Okay, hence I'm going to wrap this up. I don't want to go on. I see sometimes these videos and they're so long and people just rambling about whatever, I guess, just to make it a certain length of time, because they say sometimes the longer the videos, the better the algorithm, blah, 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 whatever. Hope this helped. Remember, you want to place certain stops. If you are going short, and I forgot to mention this, sorry about that. Let's say you're going short, the stop would be well above here, and your target would be down here. When you go long, you want to put that stop down below this level. Of course, give it a little bit of room, and the same thing, so on and so forth. Try to catch the perfect top and the perfect bottom. Hope this helped, and